steps. And then later, when you get to solving equations, it's kind of, remember when we did this, that's all you're doing. You're just doing, instead of doing the whole proportion when you're setting up, you're only doing that part when you go into equations.
Okay.
So it's kind of like they're previewing it and you're doing like a little mini lesson, but you're not going into all about equations.
Yeah. But you'll still have to teach like the inverse and
Yeah, you'll still have to
Inverse
say, okay,
operation.
here, how would you get that? So if I'm going to multiply, then down here to get it, I would have to divide these two numbers.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can show them that, like you can just say divide it because they can just use their calculator. So they're getting the steps, but they don't actually have to do the, you know, divide both sides by 21 and like after you do the description for these, if you want to make up like a worksheet that they could do to where they have to write it the 3 different ways, or do the part to part, part to whole.
Okay.
Whole
What,
to-
is
like
there
a-
a unit rate in there or no?
No, it's all just ratios.
Okay. So
It's
maybe we
just
should do
about
something unit
shooting
rate.
and, you know, what was your,
Okay. Are we
13th, so yeah.
benchmarking?
it's the week of November 13th. So,
So
we
we can do it
usually
that
do it on that
Friday.
Friday.
This is the
No.
Friday before,
Yes.
Thanksgiving.
Yes.
And that's a
perfect.
perfect way to end. So
okay, so what do
unit
we have to fit in before,
to
what do we lack in this unit?
okay, so we've finished these up this week.
Oh,
We'll do
converting units.
proportions next week and converting customary and metric. So if we do that,
Like Wednesday of next week?
yes.
But between two systems.
Well, see this, but the standard up there doesn't say between the two units.
On this one, it does. Have they changed?
Yes.
Given a conversion. Okay. Given a conversion factor, use ratio reasoning to convert measurement units within one system measurement and between two systems of measurements, customary and metric. Manipulate and transform units appropriately when multiplying or dividing quantities. For example, given 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters, how many centimeters are in 6 inches? So we do have to do it between
So
two.
we have to do within and between.
Yes.